Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, what are we going to learn today? Something about Gmail. Gmail hacks. I have already made one video and this is the second video of the series, and today's tricks are going to be fresh and new, those which I have not shown earlier, but they are going to be equally productive and save you a lot of time. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go.
I welcome you all once again, and what we are going to learn today are few Gmail hacks that can save you a lot of time. Right? We will learn how to make a template inside Gmail, how we can send links, and how to organize our email, etc. etc. So, taking forward, first thing very important is that when we go and search an email, suppose you have an email that you are using from 10 to 15 years, maybe 7 years, 5 years, 6 years, right? So it gets full, the inbox is full. Now searching something is a headache. Sometimes you can get it easily, but sometimes it is really a headache. So what you can do is simple. The first thing that I have done is I have segregated the email. For documents I have a different mail, for my YouTube I have a different mail, for my sessions I have a different mail, right? You can see it that here there are so many mails are there. For suppose my YouTube channel, I simply click on this and I can get everything about my channel. So like this, you can see that you can get everything when you segregate. In case you are not able to segregate, what we can do is create labels. Suppose what I am saying is, you can see here 1 to 5, only 5 emails are there, but I can show you there are multiple emails. How? We go to the site and see whether it is my documents. Suppose I have my documents all handy at one place. You can see all the documents that I need, right? Similarly, my ICI thing or my flat things or my loan things, whatever are there, everything is segregated. I just need 5 to 10 seconds maybe to search the mails. So how this is done? Very simple. I go to inbox again, and suppose this is the mail, right? The secret to productivity and everything. So what we can do is click on this thing here. So what this will do is move to, so you can write here productivity. Suppose if it is not there, you can create one. So what we can do, productivity mails, and whatever section subsections you can see, you can make it here. Very simple, right? You can see there are so many things. For my learnings also, I remember I have made this. So what I will do is simple, click here, and for learnings I will directly paste it there. From inbox it is gone, and you can see that where there is learnings, I can see all my mails. So this can be a beautiful way to segregate your email client wise. Slowly it will happen, not happen in one day. This has taken me so much of time, but slowly you can segregate, and whenever you want any client documents, you can segregate it as per as your requirement. But this can be an amazing thing to do. Trick number 2, we go to the email, and there are things where we have to be repetitive. Suppose sending payment reminders, or suppose asking same GSTR1 data every time, or holiday mail, or anything which is repetitive in nature. What you can do is very simple. I will show you. 1 minute, let me remove the signature. Okay, first I will show you what I am saying. Suppose payment reminder or holiday maybe. Okay, so we copy paste one holiday leave mail. Okay, subject leave request this. Now you know that you have to do this on a regular basis. Okay, what we can do is click on the three dots and templates, and save draft as template, save a new template, holiday application, or apply, something like this. Save. Now what we have done is save the template. We go to compose, and next time just I go to templates and I can say holiday apply, and beautifully that everything that you have saved will come up, whether it's payment reminder or something. Suppose I will delete this and show you the 2 to 3 templates that I have given you. Suppose payment reminder, please send us the payment, it is urgent. So this is the thing you can save. You can also amend it whatever you want in the template section. Suppose you have to update it, so just save draft as template and holiday apply, and it will get updated. You have to delete it, you can just delete it. Now the thing is, sometimes this may not be visible. Okay, in that case what you have to do is go to settings, see all settings. Okay, settings are really wonderful. We go to advanced, you can see there are many labels. Okay, general, label, inbox, whatever it is there. We go to advanced, and templates is the second option which you have to enable if by default it is disabled. Okay, so this can be really wonderful and really time saving. So now we go to, once again, go to compose, and I will show you one more thing. What happens is when you have to share something with the user, maybe a link or any file in the Google Drive or anything, what we normally do is paste it here and all this, nothing to be done. Simply go to the file, suppose share learning, I want to share. We go here, click on share and copy the link. Okay, we go to our this compose, and we want that the user should get a link. Normally if we paste the links and all, it looks very dirty, but it will look very professional. How simple, you can see this link tab here. Okay, so what we do, click here, and text to display is click here for the file, or something very small also, click here also, you can type, not an issue. What it is, that address, control V, whatever we have copied there is okay. So click here for the file, you will get, you can find the details or anything that you want to write. And main thing is that the link here got beautifully professional type of link. Okay, suppose I will show you documents.guwahati, and we will go to the email to check whether we are there or not. We'll go to inbox, and you will see that when clients see that, it is really professional looking thing. Okay, instead of sending the link and downloading and all this thing, 1 minute, it will take little bit of time sometimes, and maybe we have to refresh one more time. So now we can see it's here, and you can see download link is there, or I can also click here for the file and I will get the file. Very simple. So I hope these 3 tricks help you a lot. What more can be done is you can download some extensions that are really helpful. What I have done is, you can download some ChatGPT for Gmails, or suppose ChatGPT for Gmail extension. Okay, that can help you auto draft the email, beautiful professional mails. Although I am not using this, but I have really heard that it is really good. You simply have to click on reply, and formal mails it is going to draft for you. I am using Magical. What is the use? Very simple. I can save templates. I don't have to go to their templates and all this. Simply what I can type here is simply holiday, and you can see, 1 minute, HOLIDAY, and you can see beautifully the mail comes up. Okay, right now it's coming this way, but it's good. Okay, similarly there is one more beautiful trick, the bonus trick for today. Suppose you have to set up a meeting with someone. So what we do is normally decide and call, and but you can do that in Gmail itself. How you can do? Very simple. We go to compose, and we click on more option, set up time to meet. This is a beautiful option. Okay, so what we do, set up a time to meet and offer time when you are free. Okay, so here the calendar will open up, and you can choose 3 to 4 5 6 whatever time you do, 1 hour, 30 minutes, whatever you need. Suppose 1 hour gap we are giving the client option that, so today, maybe tomorrow's time I will give on July 28, this and this. Okay, next, and add to email. So you will see, as soon as the client will find this, number one, more professional, number two, your work will be easy. Client can click on any of the following and you can set up the time. So I hope you find these tricks beautiful, and let me know in the comments which one was your favorite trick today. That's all for today, and in the upcoming videos I will bring more tricks for you, so that small things, small hacks can save you a lot of time. Hope you got some value out of this video. Don't forget to like the video in order to make YouTube Baba happy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments which one was your favorite part today. That's all for today, friends. See you in the next video.